Are you looking to score yourself a trendy Chanel bag for under $1,000? Look no further. Here I'll be sharing tips and ideas on how to score yourself beautiful Chanel pieces for under $1,000. Yeah, guys and girls, here's my stash. Yes, all Chanel pieces, each and every one of them less than $1,000. So let's get started. We shall do from the biggest to the smallest. And okay, this is a beautiful bag that I got from an online store. Let me just lay it all out there. It is not a sponsored video, just me sharing some tips and ideas on how to purchase beautiful Chanel bags for less. So here you go. This is a beautiful piece of bag from Chanel that I scored from the luxury closet here in the UAE. And they are based in Dubai, and we can purchase them from Abu Dhabi or anywhere in the UAE and around the world. So do check out the link below. I will put it down in the description box and you can view it for yourself. So ta-da! Look, guys and girls, this is a beautiful piece, a Chanel tote, okay? And let me just tell you the details about it. I need to wear my glasses. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. So this is a beautiful large tote in a deep brown color in silver hardware, right? And this is it's called a Chanel large diamond stitch tote, all right? And it was manufactured in 2005, okay? So let's have a peek inside. As you can see, it comes with a silver chain, okay? And the CC logo, you can tell it's in silver and still in pretty good nick, okay? Hardly any scratches, but just a little bit of wear and tear in the corners. Okay, but I can actually polish that up and it will look almost brand new. You can check out my video on how to care for your Chanel bags forever. I will put that link below, another YouTube video that I did a few months ago. So let's have a look. Take out the stuffing. Okay. And I'm so excited. I haven't used this bag yet. And okay, the interior is a cloth lining. Okay, it's in beige and still pretty good. Hardly any stains, as you can see. There is a little pocket for your phone and a zipper pocket, okay? And there is also the authenticity card in here. All right. So it's an original item, an authentic item. And there's also a serial number, if you can see in here, in the corner here, okay? Quite hard to get to it. Yeah, that is the serial number here. Okay, so this is an authentic item. It is in, I believe it's in a caviar leather. Okay, and yeah, so this is the special what they call it, the large diamond cross stitch. Okay, the large diamond cross stitch. I don't own any bags like this. And I was really happy to find this online. And yeah, so there is a side back pocket, a middle section, and another side pocket. So see, voila! And can you guess how much I paid for it? I actually paid slightly over 3,000 dirhams for this piece, which works out to be less than 1,000 USD, right? So what a wonderful piece. And I actually got it for, I think, about 70% off, as you can see. And yeah, so it's a large shoulder tote. I love large bags, and honestly, too good to miss out. So okay, so what is the trick that I do is that if you go into the luxury closet online store, you have a wish list. So what I do is put it on my wish list, and as the item is unsold for a month, 2 months, they keep lowering the price of the item, the retail price. And voila, after a few months, you can score items for 50%, 60%, 70%. So I'll be showing you all these pieces that I've scored for this great bargain. Okay, what's item number 2? Let's have a look. Okay. Da, 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 da. Also from the luxury closet. Okay, and voila, I'm so excited. Okay, comes in a box, and ta-ta! Look at this, so pretty. It's actually a wallet, right? And this wallet, I bought it actually to complement my Chanel bag. Okay, but this is in a maroon, like a burgundy, and this is in a brown, okay? So you can see this slightly different tone, all right? And this Chanel large wallet is a burgundy caviar leather CC continental wallet. Okay, this one is made in Spain and it was manufactured in 2012, 2013. Okay, and look, there's barely any scratches. Okay, maybe just a little bit of indentation here and there because it is a pre-loved item and a little bit worn in the corners. Okay, but there's obviously no, not much damage to the corners, which when you're looking for a wallet, you must find it pretty clean and neat, okay, around this area, because it's otherwise it will wear and tear really quickly. So it has a little coin section, okay, and the good thing about the luxury closet is that they have their in-house certification and authentication, and even though you have your Chanel authenticity card and the hologram stickers, you also have in-house, which is good. But if you would like, and you can also outsource and get them authenticated. And it's also there's the hologram sticker, okay? And this is like the wallet section. Yeah, so there is also a money back guarantee if the items are deemed fake, okay? And yeah, lots of slots for your dollars and cards too, okay? And what I love about these long wallets is that I can turn them into woks. Woks are wallet on chains. And yeah, I will also put that link down below in the description box on how to turn your long wallets to wallet on chains, coveted items for a fraction of the price. Okay, so this is item number 2, and it's also in caviar leather. Caviar leather for Chanel is way easier to maintain than lambskin, but I do love both lambskin and caviar leather, but I find caviar leather way easier to maintain. Okay, what's in this other box? Da 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 da. It's like Christmas. Okay, so I love buying pre-love, especially for Chanel items and vintage items. I'm always on the lookout for that. Okay, this is another item. Okay, guess what it is? Comes with a box too. Okay, and this is da 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 da. This is also another Chanel long wallet. Okay, this one is a blue Chanel futuristic wallet. It's made in Italy and manufactured in 2010. So this wallet is slightly older than the burgundy wallet, okay? All right, and it still looks almost as good as, okay? It's, as you can see, it's perhaps a little bit, maybe it's slightly shorter, but yeah. Okay, but the width and the size just slightly under, okay? So this is definitely, it feels heavier and more luxe. And this one is lighter and definitely also trendier. So this one comes with a little turn lock logo in Chanel. Okay, it's in silver hardware. And it's in blue lambskin. I love the stitching and the blue of it. Chanel always has a very, very good smell. And it's also a leather interior. Okay, and your slots for your cards and for your money, and also a little zipper for your coins. Okay, all right, pretty piece. So okay, so this is item number 3. Okay, and this I paid about maybe 1,300 dirhams, which is, I don't know, 400 USD. And so was this. Okay, they were both about 1,300 plus dirhams, about 400 USD. And okay, last item, where are you? Okay, so this is another Chanel piece. Also comes with a box, and ta-da! Okay. This one I bought in Singapore from a store called Madame Milan, and I frequently go there when I'm in Singapore to purchase. This one was not an online purchase, it was an in-store purchase, and it's in patent leather, okay, with the Chanel logo. Okay, there's no pocket behind. I think this is the slightly smaller version. There's another version, that larger version with a back pocket, okay? And you open it, the Chanel stamp, and you see it's made in Italy, and this one has a holographic sticker, but no authenticity card for this one. And it was, I got it for about 400 Singapore dollars, which is also about 300 USD. And yeah, so this is in the patent leather. The series is 17, so it's made in 2012. So this is also a fairly, you know, pre-loved item. You can see there's a little bit of discoloration at the corners, but I'm pretty okay with that. Okay, this is actually just for a showpiece or a collector's item. So these two items, chances of me using them pretty rare, more like a collector's item, but I'll definitely use this, right? And yeah, so you can even, you see these are smoker inserts, so I can turn this card holder into a little nano bag, and it's the same with the long wallets. I can turn it into a wallet on chain. So do check out videos on how to turn these beauties by Chanel into little nano bags, wallet on chains. Really cool ideas to boot, right? So I hope you enjoyed this program and all the bags that I've showed you. It's indeed such a joy to shop for pre-loved items. I love recycled items, and especially luxury pre-loved. So do look out online. There are many online stores, but do check out the ones that are more genuine and have their in-house authentication and money-back guarantee. Okay, so cheers ladies and guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. And do like and subscribe to Lee Beauty, and yeah, see you for my next score. Ta-ta.